Hello friends, Happy New Year to all of you. In this video, I am going to share about Almond Koi reviews. If you are looking for stylish boots for women, then you must have heard about this website almondkoi.com. In this video, I will let you know about 10 superb options for Almond Koi boots and also answer this question: is Almond Koi a legit website or not? But before going further, I will request you to check the description of this video and like our Facebook page. We have recently started our journey over Facebook too. Watch this video till the end, and if you found it helpful, then support us by liking this video, by subscribing our channel, and also by joining us over Facebook page. These actions will help you in being informed about various kinds of online scams. Be aware and be safe. Friends, this website sells various types of women clothing, houseware, shoes and accessories. Let's start with Almond Koi boots for women. If you search for them over this website, you will see several stylish boots available in discounted prices. Let me take name a few good options available over this website. 2020 Retro Woman Warm Ankle Snow Boots. Embroidered round toe lace up mid-tube leather boots. Adjustable leather handmade women's night boots. Winter waterproof leather handmade sleeve boots women. Comfy leather arch support boots. Women autumn winter classic zipper snow ankle boots. Retro plus size outdoor autumn winter warm shoes. Waterproof warm knee high boots. Waterproof female plush winter snow boots. Vintage ankle tussle rivet boots. This was the list of 10 superb options for Almond Koi boots. You can have this same list in the description of this video. Please check the video description. In clothing section, you will have various types of stylish coats, sweaters and other trending women clothing options. Like shoes section and clothing section, houseware section is also having some decent products available in discounted prices. Well, it looks like a well-designed legit website. Let's check some facts to answer our main question: is Almond Koi a legit website or not? To answer this, I have checked other important pages of this website. Over the About Us page, I found no information about business experience, business owner, and business address. Over the Contact Us page, one email address is given, and that was also of some other domain. No business address and no customer support number were available. Across the website, there was no sign of social media presence like link of Facebook page or Instagram profile. I have also cross-checked the age of this website and found that this one is 162 days old website. No doubt, it looks like a legit website. However, there are several negative points too. Such online store must have Instagram profile and several followers in 162 days. There must be several customer reviews over the internet. However, there are pretty less reviews, almost nothing. Considering all this, I will not recommend this website. In case you want to try out any of the available Almond Koi boots, I will suggest to pay using PayPal. Certainly, you will face a bit ease in getting your refund. Thanks for watching this video and do follow us on Facebook. Link is available in the description of this video.